Dear loving students, good morning to all. And I hope you all are keeping good. So, you have just started our Zoom classes. But today, we'll just move on to the WhatsApp video. And later, we'll come together in Zoom app. So, dear children, in the last class or the last video, we have just dealt with the socio-political circumstance in medieval Europe. So have a glance at this topic. This is a background or the history of the medieval Europe. The feudal system was emerged. It was the ruling system or the style of living. So the society was divided into mainly 5 levels. The king or the owner of the land at the top, then the bishops and landlords, then the vassals, then the peasants and the serfs. So the feudal system, the basic group was so much persecuted or they are helpless people. So that is the feudal background in medieval Europe. So now we will move on to the birth of Christianity. Christianity is one of the oldest religions of the world that started from Judea. I hope, dear children, you have seen the picture of Jesus Christ. This is the picture. Okay. So our school is run by the Christian management, and now we have the study of the Christian religion in short. So it is originated from or started from Judea, the modern Israel. Dear students, in these days we had a war, a missile attack between Israel and Palestine. We have seen the videos, the news in the medias and so on. So to know where the Judah is, just go through that, understand that it is the modern Israel. So Christianity is based on the life, the teachings and the resurrection of Jesus Christ. Christianity is a monotheistic religion, that is, it is believe in one God. So it is based on the life and teachings of Jesus Christ. So Jesus was born during the rule of Herod the king in Palestine. So the Palestine and Judea region was conquered by the Roman Empire, Roman kings. Pompey the king conquered Palestine for Rome. From that onwards, Palestine and Judea was under the Roman rule. So just that is the historical background at the time of the birth of Jesus Christ.